How to change your birthday on Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can change birthday on Roblox. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, head over to the roblox.com and make sure to log in into your Roblox account. Once you are logged in, navigate to top right corner and click on the settings icon. On the settings, again click on settings. That's gonna take you to your account info. So under your account info here, you have your birthday. Now to change it, navigate to the edit icon next to your birthday and click on it. Once you're here, you have to now change your birthday. After that, click on continue. Once you enter your correct birth date, after that you will see some on-screen prompt. Make sure to follow the prompt, and depending upon your age, you may be asked to verify your age with a government issued ID or obtain a parental control. So follow the on-screen instruction properly. You may have to go through the verification process, so follow each step carefully and your birth date will be changed in your Roblox account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.